Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. The future of travel is here, and it's beyond your wildest dreams. Imagine boarding a Hyperloop pod that whisks you from New York to Los Angeles in under an hour. No more tedious layovers, just pure speed and efficiency. Next, picture stepping into a drone taxi. This autonomous marvel navigates the skies, bypassing ground traffic entirely. Need a quick look at your destination? Virtual reality headsets offer immersive previews, making your travel decisions smarter. AI-driven personal assistants? They handle everything from planning to real-time problem-solving, making travel smoother than ever. And say goodbye to long security lines with biometric check-ins. It's faster, safer, and way cooler. Eco-friendly supersonic jets are also on the horizon, promising to get you there faster while caring for our planet. The future of travel is faster, smarter, and more sustainable than you ever imagined. So, are you ready to experience the future? Because it's coming and it's going to be an incredible ride.